Alright, so here's what just happened on the global stage. Russia's foreign minister Sergei Lavrov has come out swinging, calling for India and China to patch things up and revive their old trio partnership with Moscow. Why now? Well, according to Lavrov, the timing's perfect. Tensions along the India-China border, yeah, the one that's been flaring since that brutal Galwan Valley clash in 2020, have finally started to cool down. There's still some friction, but both sides are talking, and that's a big deal. But here's where it gets spicy. Lavrov claims that NATO, the Western military alliance, is out here, actively trying to stir trouble between New Delhi and Beijing. He argues, based on what he says are private chats with Indian officials, that India can see right through these so-called provocations. The West, he says, wants India and China to clash, all to shake up the Indo-Pacific and push ASEAN, another big regional group, into the background. Now India's in a tough spot. On one hand, it's deepening cooperation with the US and other Western powers' military drills, defense pacts, the whole 9 yards. But on the other, it's refused to jump into any formal alliance or slap sanctions on Russia over Ukraine, and it's buying more Russian oil than ever. Russia, meanwhile, is doubling down too, trying to boost trade with India to over $100 billion by 2030. So, what's at stake here? If Lavrov gets his way, we could see a revived Russia-India-China partnership, shifting the balance of power in Asia and beyond. Bottom line, this isn't just about border disputes or oil deals. It's about who gets to set the rules in one of the world's most important regions. And right now, it looks like the game is just getting started.